Namaste students. Students, in previous class, I have introduced money concept. Okay, everyone use money for buying and selling. So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ರು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. So we can daily life we can see the money. Okay, so purchasing or buying or selling ಮಾರಕ್ಕಾಗ್ಲಿ so ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ಲಿ so we can use to money. So it is expressed by Indian system. So Indian representation, Indian is represented by so what is that? Money as represented by in Indian currency. So we can use to rupees and paisa. So rupees means rupees symbol is the Hindi letter Ra, and then so we can use to short form of rs, so rs, so capital R and small letter s, so rs, that is called symbol of rupees. Then paisa symbol is p, so we know that so 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. So last class I have introduced, yeah, I have telling about this one rupee equal to 100 paisa. How many 1 rupee, how many 20 paisas, how many 50 paisas, so already we can discuss. Okay, so now, how to read and writing the rupees and paisa using the dot, using the dot. So we can separate the rupees and paisa. So paisa is in the form of coins. Is the 20 paisa, 10 paisa. Next one, rupees in the form of we can use to coins and also notes. So okay, 10 rupees, 25 rupees, 35 rupees. So we can use to the notes and coins also. Okay. So now today writing and reading of rupees and paisa you have already learned in the second standard. Okay, one time you can recall the concept. Okay, one or two examples I will take that. Okay, first concept, 17 rupees 36 paisa. Okay, so the number on the right side, the number on the right side of the dot shows it is paisa. Okay, it is okay. The number on the left side of the dot shows it is rupees. So Guruji, left side of the number left side after before the dot, before dot, so that is called as rupees. After the dot, so we can call it as paisa. So we can read the number name of this rupees and paisa. So we can read first. We should read right rupees. So what do you read? 17 rupees. 17 rupees. And so how much paisa? And 36 paisa. 36 paisa. Next, this is a one example. Second one example. Okay. So what is the answer? So here 125 rupees 72 paisa. So that is, so we can write the number name 125 rupees 125 rupees and 72 paisa. 72 paisa. Okay, so this is the reading and writing of the rupees and paisa. So this is reading, so we should write the paisa, so we can write paisa and rupees. So okay, so I will take one more example, third one. That is last question. 95 rupees 30 57 paisa. So you have to write the name. So this is before, after the dot it is paisa, before the dot it is rupees. So you know the symbol of rupees and paisa. So write it, write the number name 95 rupees 95 rupees and 57 7 paisa. 57 paisa. So this is the okay. So I hope all of you understand. So what is this? What is the symbol of rupees? This is a symbol of rupees. The Hindi letter Ra. So R, so we can use to capital R and S. So that is the symbol. Paisa symbol is P. So 1 rupee equal to we know all that 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. So you have learned so rating and writing and reading of the rupees and paisa. So do you know that this concept you have already learned in the second standard. So now, so conversion of rupees and paisa, how to convert the rupees and paisa. Now I will go for that concept. Okay students, now I have written conversion, convert rupees into paisa. So we know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Okay, how to convert? So Guruji, 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. What about 5 rupees? 5 rupee equal to how much paisa? So it is conversion to bigger unit to smaller unit. Bigger unit to smaller unit. So when the bigger unit, what is the bigger unit here? Rupees is the bigger unit. Smaller unit is paisa. Okay, so we can convert to bigger unit to smaller unit. So that time we can use to multiplication. Multiplication means how much multiply? Guruji, 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. So 100 paisa we multiply. So we have get the paisa. Okay, how it is? So here 5 rupees. So we can 5 rupee equal to, so okay, so 5 rupee equal to, so what is the, how much value is what? 5. So multiply 100 paisa. 100 paisa. So we have get paisa. So 100 by the 500. 100 by the 500 paisa. That is the answer. That is the answer. Next, 12 rupees. How much paisa? Okay. So 12 rupees equals to 12 rupees equal to, the value is 12. The value is 12. How much multiply? 100 paisa. 100 paisa. So we can multiply. Guruji, how it is multiply? Guruji, how many numbers are there? First you should write it. How many of zero? 2 zeros. So we should multiply 1. 1 to the 2, 1 1 the 1. So we can get 1200 paisa. 1200 paisa. So Guruji, what about 9 rupees? 9 rupees equal to 900 paisa. So 9 into multiply 100 paisa. So we get 900 paisa. Guruji, what about here paisa? Rupees and paisa both will be given. What we do? So first we can rupees to convert to paisa, and then the remaining paisa we can add the given sum. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ರುಪೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೈಸಾ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪೈಸಾನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 11 rupees 43 paisa. This is the question. So let me convert it to paisa. Okay, so how it is convert? First 11 rupees taken. 11 rupees, 11 into 100 paisa. What is it? 100 paisa. 11 rupees 100 paisa equal to what is the value? Okay, 1100 the, so first how many zeros? First we should write it 2 zeros. 11 paisa, so 0 0. So how many zeros? 2 zeros. First 1 1 the 1, 1 1 the 1. So we have get 1100 paisa. So what about remaining 43 paisa? That should be added. ಗುರುಜಿ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಸಮ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ 43 ಪೈಸಾ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಡ್ 43 in tens place and ones place. 3 is ones place, tens place is 4. Now we can add. Okay, so now 3 4 1 1, 1143 paisa. 1143 paisa. This is the answers. Okay, all the questions same. So let me do for. Okay, ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, 100 ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಪೈಸಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪೈಸಾ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪೈಸಾನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 70 rupees 66 paisa. ನಾನು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರುಪೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪೈಸಾ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಪೈಸಾ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 66 ಪೈಸಾನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೌ ಟೇಕನ್ ಥ್ರೂ 70 rupees. So now 70 into how much multiply? 100 paisa. So what we get answer? So first how many zeros? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So 1 7 the 7. So we can get 7000. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಜೀರೋ ಇದ ಬಹಳ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜೀರೋ ಇಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓನ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 and 7 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗೆಟ್ 7000. ಗುರುಜಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ 66 ಪೈಸೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್? ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 6, ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ is 6. Now we can add. So we have get the answer. So what we get answer? So 66, 6, 6, 0, 7, 7066 paisa, 7066 paisa. Next, same the question. So we can repeat it. So we can multiply and then add the answers. Add the paisa. So now here 26 rupees. So first multiply 26 into 100 paisa, because so we can convert it to rupees to paisa. Rupees to paisa. So now multiply 100 paisa. So what we get answer? How many zeros? 1, 2. So multiply 1 6 the 6, 1 to the 2. So we have get 2600 paisa. So now, so remaining paisa, what is that? 35 paisa. We can add 3, 5. So in the tens place and ones place, 0, 0. Now 5, 3, 6, 2. 2635 paisa. This is the conversion of rupees into paisa. So ile ಮಾಡಬೇಕು smallest to biggest. So we have multiply 100. Here multiply. So keep in mind one, here multiply by 100, because so we can convert it to rupees to paisa. Okay, now let me go for paisa. So paisa to rupees. Okay students, now convert paisa to rupees. Guruji, illi smallest to biggest, smallest to biggest. So we can convert to small unit to bigger unit. So small unit is what? Paise. So convert it to rupees. It is bigger unit. So let me, we can divide. So how much is divide? Divide by, how much is divide? 100 in the divide ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ so 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa ಇದೆ. So 1 paisa equal to 1 by 100. So 1 by 100, that value is 1 by 100. So we can divide by 100. So we have get the, so because complete how many hundreds are there in the given paisa? How many hundreds are there given paisa? Let me go for, we can divide the 100. You know the table of 100. 100 in the 100, 100 to the 200, 100 to the 300, 100 for the 400, 109 the 900. So up to, you know the tables. 100 in the 1000. Keep in mind 100 in the 1000. So now, so we can divide the number. Taken that. So it is 900 paisa. It is right in the dividend. So 100 has to be taken to divisor. So 100, how much the 900? 108 the 800, 109 the 900. So you know that 109 the 900. 109 the 900. So divide that number. So we have get, the answer is 0. So how much is? So we have complete 9 is there. So complete, that is a divided. So that is a quotient. So what is the quotient will be there? That is called as rupees. What about in the paisa? That is, so it is paisa in remainder. So it is paisa, it is rupees concept. So okay. So what about how much rupees, Guruji? 900 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವು 9 ಇದಾವೆ. So it is completely rupees. It is completely rupees. So we should write the answer. So 9 rupees 00 paise. 00 paise. Next, what about the second one? Second one, divide the number 100, 100, 2010 paisa. How many hundreds are there? First, take the 3-digit number. If it is here 3-digit number, here also we can take the 3-digit number. So here 201. So 201, 100 nearest number. First 100 to the 200, you can take it. 100 to the 200. 100 to the 200. So now let me divide the number. Okay, 100. So now taken the 0. So it is 10. Guruji, 100 table 10 is not there. So we can take the 0. 100 0 the 0. So what we get answer? 10. So what is here rupees and paisa? So the quotient is rupees. So this is called as paisa. So how much rupees, how much paisa? How much it is, how much paisa? So here, so 20 rupees, 20 rupees, put the point, so we can express the paisa, put point 10 paisa. This is the answer. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 3 digit ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 3 digit ನಂಬರ್ನೇ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಿವೈಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 3 digit ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 100. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ third one number. Okay, 100 divide, so 7295 is the dividend. Okay, the number is 729. So here 729, 100 table 729 here number, 100 on the 100, 100 to the 200, 100 to the 300, 100 for the 400, 105 the 500, 106 the 600, 107 the 700, 108 the 800 is bigger. So we can take to the smallest. So okay, so 107 the 700 we should write it. So we can always take it to 2 digit number 700. What is your number? So we have get, so here subtract subtract 9 less 0 9, 2 less 0 2, 7 less 7 0. Now 5. Now 5. So now, so 295 nearest number taken to the 100 table, 100 to the 200, 100 to the 300 is bigger, so we can take to 100 to the 200. Okay, what is the answer? 590. So we get, so it is rupees, it is paisa. So quotient is taken to rupees, and then ಗುರುಜಿ ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ರುಪೀಸ್ಗೆ? ಸೊ ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವು 7295 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಾವೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ 72. ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೈಸಾ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, 72 ಅಂತ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟು how many hundreds are there in the 7295. So totally 72s are there, so that is called as rupees. Okay, because we know 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa, so we can call it as, that is 72 rupees 95 paisa. Okay, so now the last question, 96,568 paisa. So we can find out the answer. Okay, let me do for the last question. So let me divide the 100. First 3 digit number you can take it. First 3 digit number is what? 965. 100 table 965. Nearest number 100 is the 900. 100 is the 900. Now subtract. So we can get 5 less 0 5, 6 less 0 6, 1 less. Last 5 minutes. Okay, so now take the 6. So we can get 656. 656. Okay, 500. So how much? 100 table 656 near number, 105 the 500, 106 the 600, 107 the 700 is bigger, so we can take to the 106 the 600. Now subtract it. 6, it is biggest. 6, it is 0. Now taken to 8. Complete ಎಲ್ಲ numbers ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. So we can, it is divided. It is complete dividend ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, so we have get the rupees and paisa. Okay, suddenly you can get the answer. So now 568. So 100 table 568 number, 105 the 500. So we have get 62 8 paisa. 5 less 5 0. So it is rupees. So what we get answer? So here 96,568 paisa dalli. So totally 965 hundreds are there. So that is called as rupees. 0.68 paisa. So remaining 68 will be remainder. So that is called as paisa. Okay, ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪೈಸಾ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ರೀಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ convert paisa into rupees. So this is a your today's class. Okay, so now here today's homework is exercise 8A, first main exercise first, 8th A, first mine. You have to do in the all three mines. Okay, in your HW. Okay, so today's class, I hope all of you understands. Okay, students. Any doubts are there, so you can come to school and then ask me. Okay, 1 to 10 or 15 minutes, I will explain that. Okay, students, uh, watch the video and improve your knowledge. Dhanyavad.